Hi guys, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a DJ set. So I'll turn down the sounds right now. Okay, so now what you gotta do, like this is how you make a DJ set without using the B-box. So first you go to electronics, then you go to this here, right here. Click this surround system, and you can choose whichever you want, but I recommend this one. Whoa. Okay, so now I will recommend you okay, wait. Oh no, it's not. Okay. So I recommend you going here and making it like longer, like more squares. But it will take longer for you to rotate it. So I recommend, if you want to rotate it, I would recommend for squares. So just like this, place it down, and now you go to tables. Then you choose this one, this orange one. You can color it to black, because I think the black one looks nice. Okay, so just go by this and rotate it. Okay, that's a perfect place to put it. Okay, so now, okay, we need it. I recommend to do this on computer, but my screen recorder is on mobile. So now I'm gonna color it to black. But you can also make a stage, but I think the stage is too much. But so now go to electronics, and you see this TV, maybe rotate it to like your guests so they can see like the TV. Okay, don't put it up. Like that. Okay, but I usually put it facing me, but I don't like that, so the DJ will just like put the music on. Okay, so now we need this bubble machine. We need to rotate it. So put it under here. And there. But I will also put a floor or like a mat. But yeah, so just put like a colorful floor for your party, floor for the DJ set. So guys, this is how I make my DJ set. I just figured out how to make it. So I'm like, why do you want to waste B-bucks when you can just make it by yourself? Like, make it yourself. So this is my DJ set. Yes. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. Wait, I want to try on the song. Okay. Yay. Okay, I got on the. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and don't forget I'm doing a charity. I haven't uploaded that video yet, so I'm having a charity for the earth. So guys, if you like this video, just so press the bell button. And if you find this useful, please comment it and give like a comment about it and how it worked. So guys, this is the end of the video. Goodbye. Bye.